What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Honor smartphone which is keep restarting. So to fix this keeps restarting issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features click on scheduled power on off option, and if you have enabled scheduled power on off then your phone will automatically restart or power on or power off. So tap on this button to turn it off, and now the keeps restarting issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your phone software is not updated, then update the mobile software, and after updating it will fix the keeps restarting issue. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset phone, and then again click on this reset phone option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset phone option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted. So after doing this, the restarting issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor smartphone that keeps restarting. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.